Hi everyone! In a previous video, I showed you how to set up QUIC.cloud with the CloudFlare DNS. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain for static resources and how to enable CloudFlare for this domain. Let's get started. First, go to the CloudFlare DNS dashboard and create a Cdn subdomain and point it to your origin server. Let's disable the CloudFlare proxy for now to verify that everything is working properly before we enable it. Next, let's go to cPanel. Click on Subdomains. We are going to create a subdomain. It is very important to set the document root to match the main domain's document root. By default, it should be /public_HTML/. After the subdomain has been successfully created, we will wait a few moments for cPanel to issue an SSL certificate. Now, open Developer Tools by clicking the three-circle menu button on the top right-hand corner of your browser. Then click More Tools, Developer Tools. As you can see, the resources request URL is the main domain. Copy one of your static resources and visit it. An example is a CSS file. We have to manually add Cdn into the URL to access it. It should open a CSS file. If this section failed, please contact your hosting provider for assistance. Once you see the CSS file loaded as shown here, this indicates the Cdn subdomain is now working properly. Now go to the LiteSpeed Cache settings for the CDN. Enable the CDN mapping. Set the CDN URL to this URL as shown. It is very important that you add https:// at the beginning and a / again at the end. Now set the original URL. But let's double check it. Do not skip the two / at the beginning and a / again at the end. The format for both the CDN URL and original URL must match the one shown in the tooltip below. Now save changes. Purge the cache so it takes effect. Refresh the page and you will see these static requests are now loaded by the Cdn subdomain. Next, let's go back to the CloudFlare dashboard and enable the CloudFlare proxy. You may need to wait a few moments for the DNS to update. Now refresh the page again, and upon refresh, the Cdn subdomain should now be served by CloudFlare. You can confirm this in the response headers. You will see a CloudFlare cache status header that either shows hit or miss. And that's it. Make sure to let us know if this didn't work for you. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. But if this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.